We're in the Universal Raceway of the country. The on-ramp. He's coming. Yeah, he's coming. What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be discussing a couple of the different packages that we have at BoostDistrict and the easiest way to add 200 horsepower in your car, like an intake and exhaust, and also several other packages that we have, like the heads and cam, the Beat 8850 supercharged package, a couple other things that we do in our shop that we have expertise in. So let's get to this video, show you guys what we do, and a couple things also, like this one right here, cold start this car. Sounds good. And we cold start this car too with our Beat 8850 package. That sounds amazing. Let's listen to this. The heads and cam, built motors, supercharged. Sounds amazing. Let's get to it. C8 Corvettes here in the seats of the lifts that are going to be done soon. But right here, doing an intake and exhaust on your C8 Corvette and adding a lot of horsepower. Let's go see this one right here. This is Mr. K's 2023 C8 Corvette that has our BD665 twin turbo package on it. This has pretty much just literally our intake and exhaust turbo kit package. Nothing else done to it. He already came in here with high flow cats previously, and we added. Come on, man, we gotta show this turbo kit.
I'm trying to get it prepared.
Thank you, appreciate it. All right, right here, down below, we did a red and black Cerakote powder coat turbo kit on it, and everything else is pretty much stock. Engine bay here looks stock, obviously, as you can see. He did a red engine bay cover on it to match everything else. We gotta still wash it and clean it before it gets delivered, but you guys can see most of what we've done. The car with high flow cats, baselined at 456 rear wheel horsepower. Now let's see how much power we pick up on it. These cars have been making pretty good power lately, so let's see how much power it makes cold, and then let's see how much power it makes hot, and you guys be the deciding factor. Is this worth it for $20,000? I think it is, and let's see, find out. Horsepower pickup, cold, pretty damn good. We're gonna run it a couple more times and see how much power we'll make. That's a good number. That's a really good number, especially on a hot day. It's 92 degrees right now, so pretty good. Happy with it. 600 wheel torque too.
There's another one.
Yeah.
That caught me off guard.
Yeah. And two-step works too, so everything works. Anti-lag works, two-step works, everything's set on this car. He's gonna have a good time with this car, especially driving all the way home to the East Coast.
People gotta remember, it's exclusive to BoostDistrict.
I don't have to keep saying it. The proof is in there. But yes, anti-lag, two-step, boost cut, a lot of the other things, proprietary to BoostDistrict only, and it comes with your turbo kit. So there you go. Let's do a couple more runs. right, guys, dyno numbers are in. This car well exceeded our expectations. So it's stock, again, it made 456 stock. That was with high flow cats and the way the car sat. We did nothing else. The car had nothing else besides high flow cats. Now, first rip, we did 639 wheel horsepower, showing 183 horsepower gains. We ran it again back to back. It lost 3 horsepower. Trying to give you guys a little bit more transparency in cold and hot numbers. So it lost 3 horsepower right there at 636.21, and then we ran it again 195 degree temperature, really hot. So let it set for about 4 minutes of driving with low fans to emulate you guys street use on a summer day. It made 617.85 horsepower. The last hit, I did an anti-lag pull. What is anti-lag? It helps you spool the turbos up. Basically, just click the button if you're in a roll racing event in the track or anything like that. You can stick wide open throttle and hit that button, and the car is gonna stay stationary in the speed you selected. As soon as you let go of that button, it boom, whiplashes forward at 2,500 RPMs. On the first 2 runs, which we made the peak power at 640 horsepower almost, we made 397 foot-pounds of torque and 399 foot-pounds of torque just flat-footing it. When we clicked that button in anti-lag and let the turbo spool, we got a magical, almost a 40 horsepower bump. Show that right there between the two. The 2 gaps at 2,500 RPM is 40 horsepower just by clicking that button. If you see that BoostDistrict sticker on these cars, you better watch out because there's a lot of proprietary things. We're making these cars fast. We're developed in the system. We're really invested in the platform. I have 4 of these myself with test cars because I want to make sure that these cars are fast, especially if it's BoostDistrict equipped. Let's talk about the drivability of this car. It's made 640 horsepower to the wheels. Strong numbers. Drives like stock. It sounds good. Listen to that turbo whistle a little bit. Oh, that's intoxicating. That sounds real good.
The flow of that.
Oh yeah, everything, the whole combo. We're not going crazy here. We're not doing anything wild. But sounds amazing. Car works, car functions.
You can't beat that sound.
No. The supercharged C8 sounds gorgeous too. That is a very good sounding car. But a twin turbo C8 Corvette, especially a top mount, a little biased, but the top mount cars really dial it in. We're street racing today, boys. I'm just kidding. Too old for that. But we are test driving this car with Justin with our heads and cam package and the BD850. Show that car real quick. That does sound good. That's like a grandpa. Seriously. Go, please. Thank you.
He does have his grandpa moments.
That's alright. He keeps his car in tour mode. In his defense, me too.
Sometimes.
1% of the time.
I still remember the first time that I was in the E-Ray that you did the pool.
Oh yeah.
That was scary.
It's very, very, very fun. Speaking of which, that car's going back under the knife soon. I have big updates on the E-Ray. We have big announcement of the whole channel with that car, and I'm excited to share it to you guys. So, very, very, very good things coming and happening in the channel and the company. So I'm grateful for the support, and I really, really need to harp on that because we wouldn't be here without you guys supporting. We wouldn't be here without you guys watching. We wouldn't be here with you guys not bringing your car to us. So we appreciate all that and the love and the support and going to the shows, asking for pictures, hanging out, saying good things that you guys watch the channel. Such a big deal. So I appreciate that, and I really just want to say that. We're just some random people building cool stuff and building dreams too. So it's gotta make sure we keep at it, and we're the universal raceway of the country. The on-ramp. with somebody else. Yeah! You gotta figure that. You gotta figure that. Yo! We did a small pull. We were going like, I don't know, 10 over. And I thought, I was already praying. Closed my laptop, praying, God, not today, please. Not today. And somebody else got pulled over. Sad that somebody else got pulled over, but not us.
Is Justin out of the...
Yeah, Justin is still driving like a grandpa. He's fine. I'm never worried about him. So 10 over ticket is still not cheap, but I'll take it. That's why we do our pulls in the racetrack, by the way, and not in the roads. We just do small drivability testing, but all of our hard hits are done in the track to make sure, because we don't want to have problems.
I was not too close with
10 over is still something. I don't want to get a ticket. The last time I got a ticket wasn't my birthday, so thank you guys for giving me a ticket on my birthday. That was a little sad, but you know, it's just a ticket. We'll live another day. But yeah, who gives a ticket on their birthday? Like I asked, hey, it's my birthday. Can you cut me a break? I'm just trying to get home to see my daughter and my wife early. Nope. But anyways. Oh, I forgot. Anti-lag. We're not gonna do anything crazy. Just downshift a second here. Speed limit is 75 here, so relax. Hold the button, as you can tell. You can't tell. So I'm gonna hold the button. I'm gonna be flat-footing it. I'm wide open throttle right now. There you go. That's how anti-lag works. Sorry, I did went 10 over in that one too, so my apologies. But we're back to slow now. There's another one. Sorry, sir. We'll take our W's today. This car is good to go. Enjoy your car. Enjoy your car. This is awesome. I love these cars. C8 Corvettes are my passion. And I'm really grateful that we get to build these and put our random nerdness into this car. Like, who thinks about putting two-step? Two-step. Rolling anti-lag like this. Like that. That's so cool. Like building these cars that nobody else has access to, because we put our own code, our own time, our own efforts, and our own expertise with Christian, Trifecta, us, and all the people that are behind us, ETS, and obviously our own Fab team. Today's a good day of being gracious, and I'm just in a good mood. So let's live with it. Let's keep rocking and keep working hard. So thank you. Let's get back to the shop. Here's another good example of another C8 Corvette going home. This is Mr. Bobby's 2020 C8 Corvette with a heads and cam package. Horsepower gains on 93 octane right now, not even touching E85 yet. It's pretty strong. 540, 503, starting at 454. Good numbers. Now let's drop some E85 in this and see how much power it picks up. Really strong numbers. On the first pull, on E85, it's made 557 and 518. Already a 15-17 horsepower pickup on this one. We're gonna cool the car back down so we can get a accurate apples to apples comparison from cold to cold and hot to hot, so we can get our final numbers on this car. It's pretty strong though, really strong. By the way, look at this dyno room. Come a long way. We have our lounge. You can sit up right here, watch your car, get your graph, and also have a live stream in the back. behind you right there, so you can see how the car looks like on the back. So this is coming along really well. The BoostDistrict lounge for the dyno is finally open for business, and this is one of the first examples of what we have. So when Bobby comes, we can run his car in the dyno so he can see it in person, get the accurate data, and have a good party feel vibe. So let's cool this car back down, one more run, and we should be good to go. 550 wheel horsepower, E85, flex fuel, heads and cam, full exhaust. Sounds great, drives great. On its way back to Louisiana. Thank you, Mr. Bobby, for trusting me with your car. C8 Central here, always. And another beautiful car, heading home. We'll see you in the next one, and enjoy this car, Mr. Bobby. We'll see you in your future upgrades too.